What's up guys, I'm back with another video and today I'm going to be playing some Spike Rush with Human and Flooded Bat. So basically we're just going to hop into some Spike Rush. If you guys don't know, it's Rocket League's 5th anniversary. It came out in 2015 after sequel to Supersonic Acrobatic Rocket Powered Battle Cars, or SARP. So basically, they put in Spike Rush as a limited time mode for the new, for the 5th anniversary. So that's just what we're gonna be doing. Wait, see if I can take it here. Oh, you got it first. No, I can't get it. So if you guys don't know, if you have like the ball on your spikes, then like you can't use any boost. I'm being trash. Oops. Ooh. Okay. Right, I got a bump boost. I'm gonna go on ceiling. Oh wait, I meant to flip, but it's fine. Alright, take it. That's my clock. Well. Right. Okay, let's skip the replay and right. So we got a good early lead. Let's hope to keep it. Okay, I think I should be getting it here. Oh, Jukes. Ooh, Jukes. Thought I could, do a little ankle break in there. Oh, looks like Human's doing some ankle breaking. From the air though. Oh, that guy already left? Okay, hit him with a nice one. Wait, I said nice one and need boost. Okay, weird. Right. Let me get this boost. Oh, it went to the other side. Right. I'm just gonna come in. Okay, good, he took it. Oh, okay, he's coming in. Oh shoot. He didn't score. That guy just took it from him, and I'm gonna take it from him. He just takes it from me. That's basically the entire game, is people taking. Wait, what happened there? Did I take that from him, but then he pushed me into the net? Let's see. Oh, I accidentally skipped replay. Because I thought I touched. Oh, he bumped me into touching the ball. Okay. Weird. I couldn't. What's happening? Okay, good. Whoa. How do I, the thing is, sometimes you, demo. This is actually, Spike Rush is actually demo and contact, but sometimes. Oh, he didn't demo me? No! Why'd he take it? Okay. Bruh, seriously? I was gonna do a nice dribble to goal. Alright. Going for a ceiling shot. I can hit that. Or not. Okay, I still can. Seriously, Marley? The bot actually just saved my goal. Alright, well that's just gonna go in. Alright, looking good so far. We have a 3-1 lead. They do have a bot though. That's the thing. So, but anyways, let's skip the replay and get on with the game. I'm gonna cheat up this time actually. Okay, well, doesn't matter that I cheated. Oh, I thought I was gonna go to wall. Most of the times, people in Spike Rush, they go on the ceiling, so people can't really take it from him on the ceiling. But instead he went for the ground play, so. Oh, somebody joined. Okay, so they don't have a bot anymore. Right. 3-2. We only have a 1 goal difference, and that's not that good. But at least we have a lead. Okay, he's going up for that. I'm gonna take this boost. Oh, what's happening? Somebody get the ball. Oh shoot, what was that banger? Ooh. Just gonna take that from you. Okay, Brett, people keep taking the ball from me. Okay, it's fine, because it went in. But, you know. Both of them tried to take it. Alright. Well, we got back our 2-goal lead, so let's hope to keep it up. Maybe get a 3-goal lead, who knows? Wait, if he's going to cheat up, I'm going to go over here, get this boost. Okay, aerial that nicely. Okay, why did he backflip? Okay, what? How did I touched him there. Like, ghost, it's not a good time to get ghosted. Oh, do I have the ball? Okay. Ooh. No! Bro, he bumped me! But, okay. Okay, the flooded is really getting on my nerves, dude. Actually, if he bumped me, I might have gone in if the other team didn't touch it. Wait, that might have gone in if he didn't steal my goal. Oh, that guy left. Alright. They have a bot now again. But it's not, who's the bot? Tell me in the comments who the bot was before Wolfman. It wasn't Boomer. Pretty sure it was a Ripper. I don't know. Just tell me in the comments. And also while you're down there, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I got bombed. Ooh. Ah. What? What just happened there? Oh my gosh. There's so much demoing in this game because it's demo on contact. Like the demo smoke is like everywhere, dude. Right. We're just like standing there in the middle of the play. Ooh, shoot. That was sly. Alright, I see you, human. Alright, I'm gonna cheat up. Alright, you got it. Ah! I'm gonna try and steal it from him. Nah, okay. Whoa. Alright. Okay, I should have actually got that from him. Weird. Alright. Who has it? Okay. I think I had it, but then we were stuck together and then human got it. Oh, I missed that boost. Need it. Boost. What's happening here? Alright, he has it. I'm gonna see if I can bump him. Oh. Okay, demo someone. Okay, he's got to get back to that. Okay, it's 8-2. They're not gonna win, but okay, we have like one last chance. Gonna get this pad and boost. Oh no, I almost got it from him right when he got demoed. Alright, that's fine though. We still won 8-3, so that was a good game. Also in the 5th anniversary, there's like a special event where when you play matches, like at the end of the matches, it gives you like balloons, as you'll see right here after the celebration. Alright. Alright, see? So right there, item balloons. So if you collect a bunch of those, you can get like some rewards. Alright, so let's just ready up. Hopefully they ready up too. Alright, let's just give them a quick heads up. Oh, okay, well, what happened? Alright, well, I guess next game we're not going to be playing with Flooded. But that's fine. Hopefully me and Human can, you know, pick up the slack, you know, so we should be getting a new teammate. Oh, okay, for that to go. Alright. Well, we got a bot, but I guess, you know. Oh, what's happening? Oh, I'm lagging. I can see, I have packet glass, you guys can see. Ooh, juke both of them. Oh, he got the demo, but he still got it? Howdy. Ooh, okay. Go on ceiling. Why does it say he's online? He's literally in my game playing with me. Right. That's cool though. Because he got us a lead. This is like air rolling ceiling shot. But, right. Spamming ball cube. Okay, both of them are going. Yeah, no matter what position the bots are in, they always go. That's how Psionics coded them. Okay. Okay, I gotta get back. Oh! Got it. I got bumped. I got bumped again. By my teammate this time. I got the demo, let's go! Let's go! No problem. Hey, well, okay, I'm lagging a lot. I have 100 ping. Okay. Oh, he said nice demo. Thanks. Oh, he kind of juked me. He kind of faked me. Nice one. Gotta respect it. Gotta respect it. Well, actually, we're not going to talk about that. In the replay, it looked worse than it actually was on my screen, but... Alright, what is happening here? Yes, can I take that off? I'll take that off your hands. I'll take this off your hands. Okay, a little ceiling shot, air rolling ceiling shot of my own. Oh, they're leaving. Oh, yo, Bandit switched teams. Bandit the traitor. But we have Subson. Right. Maybe our teammate will actually do something because he's not a bot. Oh, what's happening? Oh, bye, Bandit. Ah! Oh, shoot! Okay, well, the beast didn't spawn. I'll get the corner. He's going for a ceiling shot. Ah! Ooh, that was close. That was close. Okay, he got it. Go for the ceiling shot. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ah, dude. That would have been sick. But then I just lost control of it. Oh, shoot. Oh, this guy's juking. Ooh, that was close. Okay, he's accidentally juking people. Yeah, as you see, people are going on the ceiling there. As I said before, like... Okay, did I just bump him into getting the ball instead of me getting it? I just yoinked the ball from him there. Come on! Okay, I had to just, like, pull a reverse in. I said nice shot, I gotta say the things. I just yoinked that from him, dude. Oh, then his teammate bumped him from getting the ball from me. Right. Well, good 4-1 lead. Hopefully we can get the Brazil. Unless they forfeit or they score a goal. Oh, ceiling shot play? Oh, shoot! Just went right to him, like passed it to him. Alright. Oh, what happened there? Okay, well, doesn't matter because we got the goal. Right. Okay, that's a little mechanic I call the front flip wave dash. What happened there? I wasn't even paying attention. I was just getting that boost. Okay, he got a good kickoff. Gets the ball, gets past that guy, and then, oh, it's just in. Alright. Well, GG gamers. Right. Okay, the Brazil chances are looking up. I need that ball. Woo! Let's go to Brazil! And we got the Brazil goal. Ooh, I just yoinked it from him, but it kind of worked. He probably wasn't going to be demoed, but then the Walker guy might have got it. Alright, speed flip. Oh, I bumped him. I went all the way in front of the ball and then bumped him. Oh yeah, human already saying the Brazil. I tried to do some weird fancy stumping. I just want to get that boost. Oh, I got the demo. Okay. No. Okay, good. Oh, I think he wants to keep it, Brazil. You know what? I'm fine with that. Yes. Okay, so just keep away. Just keep away now. I'm trying to help him. No. Just let it drop. No. Oh, it has to drop here. Okay, he has one last chance. Put it down. Yes, we got the Brazil. GG. Well played. Alright, well that's actually a very good way to wrap up the video. If you guys have enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, hit the notification bell so you guys can comment first on my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.